This store operates on a dropshipping system and features a collection of products with very cheap prices and large profit margins. Last month, this store managed to make over $24,000 through selling these products, and it sells this product for about $30, while the cost of these products ranges from $1 to $3. All these products are available with the supplier that I will show you how to register with today and import products from for your store. The person who created the store was able to sell more than 800 orders just by creating content without running any ads. He made an account on TikTok, placed the store's link in the bio, and started creating daily content about the products he sells in his online store. Today, step by step, I will teach you how to start dropshipping, build an online store, import products, and start your journey in e-commerce. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and encourage me to continue. The first step is to build an online store on Shopify. Through the link in the video description, you'll get a 3-day free trial, and your first month on Shopify will only cost you $1 instead of $39. You will start by entering your email and begin the steps to create the online store. Here, we can skip this step, and then we will choose the country we will sell in. After that, we will enter the email and password and create the online store. Within seconds, it will take us to the dashboard, and we will move to step 2, which is the supplier. The supplier is Zendrop, and I will leave you the link to the Zendrop app in the video description. The advantage of Zendrop is that it has millions of products, auto-fulfillment, fast shipping, and professional support. To install the app on the store, we will click on Install, then click Install Again, and the app will be installed on the store. Zendrop has many categories that we can easily work with. Here, we can search for the product. I will search for the product that the person sells, and this is probably the product. Its cost is about $3.60. We will click on the product, and we will find all the product details here. Below that, we have the product cost and shipping cost. From here, we can choose the country we want to ship to, as shipping costs change depending on the country. Here is the total cost, and here is the shipping duration. After that, to add this product to the store, we will click here on Add to My Products. Then, we can go back and add other products before starting to add them to the store in this way. Then, we will go to My Products, and we will find the products in this area. To publish these products to the store, we will click on Review and Publish. From here, we can edit the product name, product description, and variants, which include available sizes and colors. Here, we can change the selling price to make a profit, and here, the difference between the selling price and the cost will appear, which is the profit. For example, I can sell this product for around $30, so I will make more than $15 in profit for each piece I sell. Here, I can choose the images I want to publish for this product. If I don't find any images, I can take the product name and go to AliExpress and type the product name there. You will find many images that you can use for your store. Then, we will click on Publish to My Store. Then click on Confirm, and the product will be published to the store. In the same way, we will do this for other products. But let me go to the store and click on Products, and I will find that the product is already there. I can click on it, and as you can see, I can edit everything from this control panel. I can click here on Preview to see how the product looks in the store. The product doesn't look professional at all, and the store itself still needs customization. That's why there is a video on the channel that shows you how to build a professional online store on Shopify. Through this video, you will build the store and the product page professionally. But let me quickly go to the product and start making a test order to see if, when I request this product, it will be sent to Zendrop, and if I can ship it to the customer or not. I will quickly request the product. After the customer requests the product, it will appear here in Shopify under Orders and also here on Zendrop. If we reload, we will indeed find an order here. If we click on this order, we will find the product details and customer information. Here is the product cost, which includes the product price and shipping cost. To ship this product to the customer, we will click here on Fulfill Order, and we need to add the product cost here by adding funds through a credit card or PayPal. Zendrop provides us with 25 orders that we can fulfill in the free plan. The customer would have already paid you for the product through the payment gateway link to your online store. So after the customer requests the product, you will come here, start fulfilling the order, and ship the product to them. If you want to do auto-fulfillment, Zendrop has 2 plans that allow you to do auto-fulfillment. You can come here, click on Upgrade, and you will find these plans. You can choose the suitable plan based on the features of each plan. After that, you'll start making an account on TikTok or Instagram, and you will put the product link in the bio and start creating daily content for the products you will sell in the store. That's it. This was today's explanation of how to start dropshipping and make profits from it. Subscribe to the channel because I post winning products daily and teach you how to start dropshipping.